Ready, start. Civil structure, ready. Before the partition, the premier administrative service in India was the Indian Civil Service. Full stop. This was a single service divided up into a number of cadres on a provincial basis. Full stop. Officers appointed to this service were allotted to the various provinces, and they remained member of the Indian Civil Service cadre of their provinces throughout their career. Full stop. The central government met their own need by the deputation of officers from the provinces. Full stop. There was also an undivided Indian, the Indian political service, the two main sources of recruitment to which were the Indian Civil Service and the Indian Army. Full stop. The government of Pakistan have decided to constitute their civil service as a centralized service on all Pakistan bases. Full stop. It will be called the Civil Service of Pakistan. Full stop. The person has been taken in order to create a well-organized civil service for the whole of Pakistan, constitute and operated on a centralized basis, thereby increasing associating between the various provinces and developing homogeneity in administration. Full stop. The member of this service, who shall be liable to be posted to any of the provinces will be administratively more usefully to the central as well as the provincial government than if they belong to provincial cadre, because of the knowledge and experience they will acquire by serving in the provinces of West Pakistan as well as in East Pakistan, and uniform standard of administration in all parts will also be achieved.